Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm just going to be preparing salad. Here I have my ingredients, which is cucumber, 2 tomatoes, lettuce, onion, lime, lemon, cabbage, 2 eggs, chickpeas. I have this wonderful sauce, olive oil, salt, and white pepper. So my ingredients are all washed already, everything is clean, so I'm just going to start splitting my lettuce with my hands, and then I'm just going to be slicing half of the cucumber. I just slice into cubes, and I just add it together to the lettuce. And then I'm just going to use a quarter of this cabbage, slice it very tiny. And I'm just going to go ahead and slice my onion. My tomatoes. Sorry guys, I forget to talk about the tuna. I'm adding 1 tin of tuna to my salad. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my chickpeas. 1 tin of tuna. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a lemon juice, salt, I'm just going to go ahead, add a little bit of white pepper, and then just mix everything together. And just add to the salad. Mix it very well. This salad is very simple and delicious. If you don't want to eat anything heavy in the evening, you can have it as your dinner. And I'm just going to go ahead and serve. And now I'm just going to go and add the boiled eggs. I'll just slice the eggs nicely and add to my salad. And I'm just going to garnish with this nice, wonderful cream sauce. And here we go. Our wonderful salad is ready. Please like this channel, subscribe, share my video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.